Okay, we're going to do number 10b here. Because number 10 is a little different, they want you to factor these trinomials. So basically what you're doing is you're assuming you have an equation where you can use the quadratic formula to solve the equation. And so we're going to do it to find out what the factors are, the roots. We're going to find the roots here, and we're going to work backwards from that to find out what the factors would be. So let's just start plugging in things in here and see where we go. So that's going to give me negative b, which is negative 5, plus or minus. Let's see here, b squared would be negative 5 squared, minus 4 times 6 times negative 4, all over 2 times 6. Just plug in all the numbers. If you work out the stuff inside the square root here, you should get 121. Okay, so this is going to be 5 plus or minus root 121, which is just 11. Okay, so that's where the 11 comes from, all divided by 12. Okay, so if I do 5 plus 11, that gives me 16 over 12, which is the same as saying, well, divide them both by 4 here, and you get 4 over 3. If you do 5 minus 11, you get negative 6 over 12, and that equals negative 1/2. Okay, so those are your two answers, but that's not the answer they give you in the back of the book. They want you to find the factors that can be multiplied together to get you 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. Okay? So here's what we do. We know that these are the roots. In other words, when x equals 4 over 3, the whole thing is equal to 0. Okay, or the whole thing is equal to 0 when x equals 4.3. Or sorry, 4 over 3, sorry. End of the day, give me a break, all right? In other words, I can subtract 4 over 3 from both sides and just say that. So all I've done is subtracted 4 over 3 from both sides of this equation here, and I get x minus 4 over 3 equals 0. Okay, so again, I'm working backwards. Multiply everything by 3, and I get 3x minus 4 equals 0. Again, all I did there was to multiply everything by 3 just to get rid of my denominator. Okay, that is one of my factors. I do the same thing for the other one, the negative 1 over 2. So if x equals negative 1 over 2, then everything will also equal 0. In other words, x plus 1/2, because I add 1/2 now to both sides to get that equation there. Multiply everything by 2, 2x plus 1 equals 0, because 0 times 2 is 0, obviously, right? So then my other factor is going to be 2x plus 1, just like that. Okay? And if you don't believe me, you can always work things out. Sorry about that. Okay, so we can work things out here and just say, okay, well, 3x times 2x is 6x squared plus 3x minus 8x and then minus 4. In other words, 6x squared plus, or no, it's going to be minus 5x minus 4, which is exactly what we started with. Right? If you notice up there, there it is, right there. Okay, so we could have factored it the regular way, but look how much fun this was. Look at all that work we got to do. Isn't that cool? Anyways, that's what they're asking you to do. I just wanted you to see that's how to get to the answer.